So let me share with you now the Stanford Design School 5-stage model. And what they have is the 5 stages. It starts with empathizing with your customer or your user, and then defining the problem, ideating solutions, prototyping some of the solutions, and testing those with your users. And this is an iterative process. So you can go back to the start and do more research in the empathize phase if you come up empty-handed on the testing phase, or it could be where prototyping will inform, or you go back and define the problem. But looking at these 5 stages, this is the process that the teams I've been working with have used. And so as I mentioned, the first is empathize with your customer. And this is taking time to do your research and understand your users, their needs and their pain points. And define, this is where you are synthesizing all the research that you've pulled together, and then coming up with defining problem statements about what you're going to fix and what your team is going to work on. In Ideate, this is the brainstorming. This is where you generate the ideas to solve problems. And then the prototyping phase is building something. And this is where you need something tangible and real. And that's where design thinking really forces teams to go and build something, build prototypes so that they can be tested with the users. And then the last stage is you go back to the users to collect feedback on the ideas, the concepts, and even the prototypes. And so hopefully that's fairly clear. And this type of staged model works both with traditional projects as well as with Agile projects. And we've had success implementing and weaving this in with both. And so it's definitely something that has shown promise in many different ways.